to this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to use a drying agent to remove any excess water you've got in your dichloromethane. When you come into the lab, you need to be wearing your lab coat fully done up and have your safety glasses on and over your eyes. All of the lab scripts contain COSH and risk assessment information, and you need to have read this before you start working. So with the separation, I said you could have some of the tea water still present, so the brown liquid. Using the drying agent, the sodium sulfate, this will remove it. So what you're going to do is you're going to add some sodium sulfate. And just add a spatula. I think I'm just going to add a spatula or two. And then swirl it, and when you've added enough, it looks like a snowstorm because all of the water is clumped together with your drying agent. So it's not quite there, so I'm just going to add a little bit more. And you can see when I swirl it, it looks a little bit like a snowstorm. So I'm just going to put the lid on, sodium sulfate, because I've got enough. Now we want to separate it, so we're going to separate it by gravity filtration. So I've got the filter funnel and I've got a fluted filter paper. If you can't remember how to fold that, watch the video on how to fold fluted filter paper. So you've got your round bottom flask. Make sure you pre-weigh this, write down what it weighs, because when you evaporate the DCM off on the steam bath, you don't want to be scraping it all out to get the yield. It's much easier if you've recorded the weight of it empty and record the weight when it's got the crystals in. So I've got it stabilised on the cork ring. I'm going to add the funnel, I'm going to add the filter paper, and just going to pour it through, and you will see as I'm pouring it through all the solutions coming out, and it's a clear colourless solution, and it's just the DCM that's coming through, and you'll have the caffeine dissolved in it. So I'm going to hold that up so it filters a little bit quicker. And pour everything in. Okay. So once this is filtered, you can put the waste drying agent and you can put the filter paper in the bin. Okay, and just put that so it doesn't fall over. And now this is ready to go onto the steam bath and to evaporate off to be left with your caffeine sample. Thanks for watching, and if you've any questions, send me an email.